Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are enjoying the Fearless Communicator series, learning and sharing with other people also so that others can also learn. Now, I am sharing tips and ways by which you can become fearless communicator in my Fearless Communicator series, which I am doing on Monday and Thursday in VIP community Career Growth Mastermind. I hope you are part of it. If not, do join the community so that you are part of the series. After this, we will be doing interview skills blueprint program also, wherein I will be sharing tips and ways to master interviews. So, do join the community. Now you know me. I am Anju Jindal, a trainer, entrepreneur, and a career growth specialist. I believe in learning and sharing experiences, and my mission is to help 10,000 people to accelerate career with the help of career hack and communication skills. If you also want to help people, do share the videos and let them join my community. When we talk about a fearless communicator, who is a fearless communicator? Fearless communicator is a person who can speak fearlessly with anybody and in whatever situation without fumbling. You also want to be a fearless communicator. A simple tip which I am sharing today, this is something which if you do, you will definitely become a fearless communicator. The tip number 12 is speak, speak and speak till you master the art of speaking. Yes, speak, speak and speak till you master the art of communication or speaking. Now, it is very easy to say speak, 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 but the problem is speaking or conversation is not part of our day-to-day life, and we need to bring it to our day-to-day life. How can we do so? I can share some ways by which you can bring conversation naturally to you and into your day-to-day life. The first simple way is find a person, a friend, a pal who can be available for you every day at least for 10 to 15 minutes to communicate with you in a particular language which you need to expertise. This friend will bring communication regularity to you, and you will, when you are doing it regularly, you will bring it into habit, and as a natural communication will be part of your life. So this is one simple trick which you can follow. The second way is you can get yourself into the situations where you have to speak in a particular language. I know we will make mistakes, but then this is the way we learn. You can simply buy a ticket to communicate. You can talk at reception to communicate. In a classroom, you can volunteer to talk on a topic. When you do so, you get into situations, and when you master that situations, you become fearless communicator, and that is what is needed. The third way is join a conversation club. These kind of conversation clubs may be offline or online. It can be near to your places wherein you can do it face to face, or you can do it online with the help of various social media platforms also. Various strangers from different background join these clubs and they talk on different topics on different days. Now, when you join this club, you will also have to communicate. When you communicate with stranger, you master the art of communication with strangers, and your confidence is definitely going to increase. Secondly, because topics are different, you are also getting to know new vocabulary, new thought process, and you are bringing it into your day-to-day life. The last method which I can share with you is, and I have been sharing this method again and again, it is called as shadowing. What is a shadow? Shadow is a reflection of yours or something whatever you do is followed by a shadow, right? So when I talk about shadowing, you basically follow one person, one character, or one mentor whom you shadow in the way he expresses, in the way he talks, in the way he communicates. For this, first observe that person and then take a video. Maybe it can be a cartoon show, it can be a favorite video or anything else. Voice should be, muted in that video. Give your voice to that video for that particular character and just compare the videos. When you'll do so, you will see with time you are getting the main ways and the methods of communication from that particular person. And in this way, you are mastering the art of natural communication. Because observing and doing is the way to learn. The main thing which I'm trying to say here is bring communication, conversation, speaking naturally to yourself. And for this, speak and speak till you master it. I have shared some ways to you. If you have another innovative way, then do share it. Comment below. If you have any questions, comment below. I will answer it. Do share the video, like the video, and comment below with your takeaways. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.